Get fit, get active at home. On today's video, I want to show you how to get strong with bodyweight exercises. My name is Joey. I'm a certified personal trainer. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want to learn how to incorporate more exercise into your daily life. So let's get right into it. Movement number 1. This pattern is actually a 3-movement closed chain system. So that means that we have 3 moves: downward dog, upward dog, and deep squat. Closed chain system means that we are continuously going in and out of all 3 movements and only those movements. Some key points to think of while performing this flow is to take your time going in and out of each position. Once you get into a certain pose, try to hold that position anywhere from 5 to 10 seconds. Don't be afraid to do little micro movements, trying to get some dynamic stretches in there as well. Now I'm just showing you some regressions that you can do to make this flow easier. Your goal is to see how many times you can go around this closed chain system while managing to perform these movements with a nice fluid component. Also, be sure to watch the video above if any of these movements will aggravate the wrist. That means that you probably need to do a little bit of wrist conditioning. Our second movement, I really like this one. It's a spin-off on the push-up. Except the difference with this is that we're going to start in a deep squat position and we're actually going to lower our bodies to the side. More of a side push-up. Not only are we going to work the upper body doing that push-up type motion, we're also going to be crossing one of our legs in back of the other, getting a little bit of hip flexibility in there as well. Again, the nice thing about this movement is that it takes a little less upper body strength to do than a regular push-up, so it can help be a regression to get you to do a regular push-up. It also takes some hip flexibility, or I should say some hip mobility, in order to get to that bottom position with the legs. Now I'm going to show you a few regressions that you could try if you're not having any luck doing the original version. The first one being having the leg that's closest to the hands resting on the ground. In this second regression, I'm going to keep both feet on the ground and just tilt my body to the side. And our final and hardest variation is taking that leg, crossing it around back, and holding it up in the air. If you're not doing any sort of hanging in your day-to-day life, I would say to get on it. So once again, all these exercises can be done at home. If you don't have any of the equipment I use, no fear. Go in the description down below and hit the link. I'm a member of the Amazon affiliate program, and that would be a great way to help support my channel. With that being said, hanging leg lifts is a bodyweight exercise that will get you strong. As mentioned before, I would suggest that everyone should hang multiple times daily. Key components to focus on when doing the hanging leg lifts is to exhale as your legs are rising to the top. Try to lower your legs down as slow as you can and keep your elbows as straight as you can for the duration of the exercise. Some modifications you can do while hanging is to keep your knees bent. And if that's still too aggressive for you, you can go to the floor and do some straight leg raises or some scissor kicks. Also, a convenient way to get a hanging point from your house is to use an iron gym. I know you want to watch more videos on how to incorporate an active lifestyle, so click on one of these up above right now. As always, this is Joey saying be kind to one another and move well. Peace.